Megha, so what are these tiny things that I see here? It's so colorful, and I mean, I'm just so surprised with so many colors at the
Here,
first
I have
place.
few more colors to show you. So basically, if you remember, I explained you between two tiles we have to fit in a grout.
Okay.
So this is the grout which is there. This is a plastic casing to support the grout, but this is the grout.
Okay.
Here you can see there are various colorful products, like we have pastels, we have bright colors, we have metallics, glow in the dark. So all of these products, you can use them in between tiles either to match the tile that you're selecting or to create a contrast. And that's why we have so many varieties available.
So, Megha, I see these pearl shades of grouts. My question is, I'll apply it on the bathroom floor or tile floor or whatever that is.
Yes.
But will the pearl go off?
Actually, there is no reason that the pearl can go off. Now you can see the shine in these products. The base material is a matte and there is shiny material mixed in it. But the only thing that is going to happen, by time there will be dust settlement on it. This is not going to take away the shine. There will just be another coating which will start forming on it, which is dust settlement due to the cleaning. In case the cleaning is real good, then there is no problem, but by time there will be dust settlements on it.
Okay, and what are these solid things that we see are available in what format?
These will come as paste. So there is kit 1 and kit 2 and they are different paste. You will have to mix them and then apply them between the tile. But make sure that you only fill them in the grout and in the space provided and not on the tile, because it will be really difficult to take them off.
Okay, and it's not available in powder format?
No, this cannot come in powder format. They only come in paste format for easy application.
And what's the cost that we are looking at?
They are all variously priced. Now when you look at pastel shades or the regular colors will be 1000 rupees per kg. But when you go for metallics, it will be 3000 rupees per kg. So there are 5 kg, 10 kg kits available also. Depending on your size and the space, you will need the kg kit.
Okay, and your recommendation would be to go with what kind of grouts? Say you want a maintenance-free zone.
Then I will suggest you to take subtle grouts like these. Either match it to the tile that you're selecting or keep it contrast. But then subtle ones always look nicer, because when you have too much shining element happening there, it'll just make it too loud and not let your highlighter stand out.
Right, fair enough. So guys, this is everything about the tiles, the grout, the spacing, the costing that you should know, and please make use of this information. I hope it'll help you choose the right tile for your bathrooms and for your house flooring. If you have any other doubts regarding the content, please do put them in the comment section, and we will have Megha to answer to them. See you in our next video. Thank you.